Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can get multiple languages on your Android keyboard. Alright guys, let's get into it. First of all, go to your settings application on your Android phone. Then you have to scroll down until you find general management setting. So just keep scrolling until you find it, and this is the general management settings. So you have to tap on it. Then you can click on keyboard settings right here. Then after that, you can click on languages and types. Okay, and you can click on manage input languages right here, and these are my input languages. And then if you want to add new language, you can download another language right here. These are the available languages on my phone, and you have to click on this download button to download the language. And for example, I'm just going to select this language. Then just click on download option. Then you have to wait until the language has been downloaded. Okay, and after the language has been downloaded, the language will appear right here, and you have to click on the toggle button to activate it, like this. Oh, maximum number of the languages is 4 guys, so I'm not able to select another language. So let's just practice how we can type in a different language. So I'm going to open my message application. Then I'm going to type on my keyboard. So let's just practice guys. For example, I'm going to type on my language like this. And if you want to switch to another language, you can slide your space button right here on the space button like this. Okay, and now my keyboard has turned into a Korean keyboard. And if you want to switch your language, you just need to slide your screen like this. And this is my Arabic keyboard. Alright guys, and that's how we can get multiple languages on Android keyboard. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.